Hello and welcome back. This video is going to show the basics of installing the Henner 4-degree advanced ignition key in an SSR 300. So I'm going to break it down into a few different segments. The first segment will be showing you what needs to be removed to get to where the key is located. So what we will start to need to remove is I have a case saver here. I'm going to remove that first, and possibly my skid plate. You also need to unclip the clutch cable here. You can leave it connected here. You can leave this connected. We're going to remove the bolts all the way around the ignition case. Before we do that though, we're going to remove this bolt so we can look inside and attach a wrench to turn the flywheel. And there's a bolt here we're going to remove so we can look in to see when the flywheel is at top dead center. I don't think this is necessary, but I believe it's recommended. I think if you're at top dead center, then the key will be located near the top versus the bottom, which I believe makes it easier to work with. So once we remove all that, we will take a rubber mallet and tap this until it comes loose. You want to be careful not to damage the gasket that's around there. So when you lift this off, lift it slowly and look around and maybe take a flat blade screwdriver and get the gasket loose if you can without ripping it. If it does get damaged, you'll need to put a new gasket on or maybe repair that one with some silicone. Once this comes loose, it's going to be kind of held on a little bit with the magnets, but you'll pull it straight out, and we're just going to flip it up so that these can stay connected, and maybe zip tie it to something up here. Under here is going to be the flywheel, and we'll need to hold the flywheel with something so that we can use an impact driver on the main nut because it should be tight. And once we get that off, we will use the flywheel puller that came with the kit, or you can purchase your own separately. And we'll use that to remove the flywheel. We'll show that in the second section of the video. And then we will show removing the old key, installing the new key, and then sliding the flywheel back on. And hopefully everything will go smoothly. But after that, that's pretty much it. After that, you just pretty much just put all the bolts back in the way you took them out, torque everything down to spec. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, and we'll show the next video soon.